Apples have a nice sabor. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is sabor. Sabor. This is a Spanish noun and it means flavor or taste. Sabor is masculine, so you can say el sabor or un sabor. The plural form is los sabores or unos sabores. Now let's see a few examples using this word. Me gusta el sabor de las manzanas. Me gusta el sabor de las manzanas. La comida tiene un sabor tan delicioso. La comida tiene un sabor tan delicioso. La leche tiene un sabor extraño. La leche tiene un sabor extraño. ¿Qué sabor es? ¿Qué sabor es? El sabor del café me encanta. El sabor del café me encanta. Okay, as you can see, this is a very easy Spanish word. Please leave me more examples down below using sabor. Or if you have any questions about this word. Subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!